Taking a look at our plans, the shelves run from the inside of the face frame to the back of our project. Knowing that the overall depth of my project, not including the top, is 12 inches, if I subtract the 3/4 inch face frame, that gives me 11 1/4 inches, but I also have a 1/4 inch back. If I subtract that, that gives me a measurement of 11 inches. I want to double check that measurement with my actual project, and I can see that to the inside edge is just barely over 11 inches. Because we will be edge banding the front edge of the shelf, we're going to subtract 1/16 of an inch from our width measurement, and this should give us plenty of room for that edge banding. So I'm going to set my table saw to 10 15/16 and run both of my pieces. I now have two pieces that are 10 15/16 wide, and I have plenty of length to get 3 shelves out of these two pieces.